Hi, my name is David, and we're at Zang SMP in Los Angeles. Actually, I was doing a lot of research online, obviously on different procedures that I could do, and started seeing some pictures of SMP. And then I was researching, who was the best, and Zang's name just kept coming up over and over again. So I was like, this is a place I should go. It's been great. So I've had 2 procedures. Really, after the first procedure, it was, it was perfect. And Walter did all my work here and just made me feel really comfortable. And I told the guys here that, I was always somebody before that I would always have to have my hat on. If somebody even just rang the doorbell or something, I'd quick run, put my hat on, and then answer the door. And now I don't even remember I have hats anymore. A feeling of just like being liberated and free, and you just kind of be the way you were back when you had a full head of hair. I'm super happy. It's more than I could have even expected. No one's noticed that I've had any specific work done. A lot of people say, oh, you look different, you look good, this and that. Did you lose weight, or whatever? But they can't pinpoint it. But they know that that something's different, but not necessarily that anything's been done with my hair or head. I feel more confident. I don't feel so insecure and so worried about, I wonder if people are looking at my hairline or looking at my thinning hair, because it was something I would really like stress over and obsess over. When I would get out of the shower, I would take 30 minutes sometimes to do my hair, and it was like, it was just getting out of control, the amount of time and all the different products that I would try to use, and I just had this whole system down, and it was just so freeing to just not even have to deal with any of that stuff anymore. Plus, it saves a ton of time because my showers are like 3 minutes. I was a little bit nervous when I first came to Zang, but everyone here has made me feel super comfortable. As soon as you walk in the door, Ridwan makes you feel comfortable, Walter makes you feel comfortable. And it's really just like hanging out, and you get your procedure, and it's over before you know it because you're just kind of talking and having a good time. So I would spend a lot of time stressing and worrying about, my hair and what I could do to make myself look better. If I didn't have a hat nearby in sight, I wasn't coming out, because I always had to have a hat or a beanie or something on to cover up. And since I've had my procedures done, I haven't worn hats in a long time. It's been very liberating. To be honest, I don't even think about it anymore. It's a lot of stress that is relieved and is not present in my daily life anymore. Pretty much my family and my friends, they don't know that I had this done. I wanted to see what their reaction was. My brother, when he first saw me, he was like, wow, that looks awesome. David looks really good. And then he mentioned something to my mom, that not to me. He's like, wow, I didn't know, David really has a good hairline. And then I had to tell him, I was like, listen, I don't. I was blessed with the same genes you were. He has the same issue, and he's looking at options. He's thinking about doing something. I would just say, if there's anyone that is, having issues or is on the fence whether or not to do this, put your reservations aside and jump in, because you're gonna feel 100% better when you're done. Literally after your first procedure, even if you just get one, that's all it really takes. I mean, after my first procedure, it was good to go. 2 or 3 days after my first procedure, I went on an interview and my suit on, and there was no issues at all. I thought I looked great, especially compared to before. I mean, it's literally a result that you'll get immediately. I think if you're considering SMP, there's no better place than Zang.